part of what I like about it is I know you hate it. The whole idea makes you want to throw up.
Yeah, I feel like I gotta throw up right now. You better not drop my bike or I'll be pissed.
All right.
This is against everything I stand for.
All right. Let me show you how to operate that thing properly.
Very nice.
Ooh, ooh. Here, I'm going to show you how to really ride these things.
All right, show me. I'll be watching.
Okay. Jeez. Guy passes you at the ridge once. He thinks he knows everything. Jeez.
You couldn't keep up, bud. Oh, I just killed my bike? Are you kidding me? We're going to forget about that.
All right. That sounds fair.
Holy shit. Get that on camera. Oh, we're getting on it right here. Oh, yeah.
You left me behind!
Just like at the track. It's a whole different bike, huh?
What?
I said like I can go over 8,000 RPM, so it's like a whole different bike.
Oh yeah, it's a rocket ship.
There's some twisties coming up pretty soon. It's gonna be nice. I can hear your exhaust on the mic. That's awesome.
She's a loud one.
There's that super bumpy road coming up.
All right.
So watch your wiener. Watch your wiener. Where are you? It's so far back there.
I was scared.
Yeah.
Just a tip for everybody else that rides with your buddy with their S1000RR. You want to ride with them in the first 800 miles. It's a lot easier. They can't go over 8,000 RPM.
That's fucking cheating. The only way your Honda can win. Dude, I'm so down to rock the Cenas all day tomorrow. This is fucking awesome. I like talking to someone.
You hear that?
No, I don't. You want to hear mine?
Yeah.
Sounds like a sewing machine. Ready? Like, this is like 4,000 RPM. So quiet. See, that's nice.
That's 4. Now pop the clutch.
Dude, that's a nice bike.
It's a Yamaha, dude. Those things fall apart.
I was going to ask you if you're going to wash your bike before tomorrow's ride, but you don't really have any bearings to clean, do you?
Well, first off, how dare you?
All right, right here. This turn's awesome. Oh, dude, a bird just hit me in the neck. Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck, dude.
What was it?
A bird hit me in the fucking neck.
Are you going to be okay?
Oh, my God.
You shed a tear?
Oh, yeah, 3 of them.
Over a bug?
Oh, dude, that was a fucking big-sized bird. It was like that big.
A bird?
A bird. A fucking bird hit me in the fucking neck.
I thought you said...
Right here, dude.
I thought you said...
It was like that big.
Like a sparrow, probably.
Oh, my God. We were just talking about getting hit by birds, and I got hit by a fucking bird.
Well...
Wow. I hope I fucking killed it with my neck, bro.
Oh.
All right, up here we're going to make a pretty sharp right-hand turn. It's kind of sketchy, so take it wide.
Yeah, I know the one you're talking about.
All right. We gonna do it. Might need to do the dirt bike leg, you know, where you put the leg out.
Nah.
No? Okay.
Just regular.
Okay, just regular.
I swear you were saying bug. I was like, what is your problem?
No, it was a fucking bird bike bigger than your hand, spread open.
Did you forget to ride my motorcycle?
Yeah. I don't want to drop your precious, though. You put so much time and effort into that thing.
This is the perfect time to dump it.
No, don't say that. I don't want to crash. You better not drop my bike or I'll be pissed.
I'll ride it like the pews in church. How's that? I'll just fart on it a little and that'll be it.
This is against everything I fucking stand for, letting you ride my bike.
I know.
Like, I do not like it.
I know. That's part of what I like about it, is I know you hate it. The whole idea makes you want to throw up.
Yeah, I feel like I gotta throw up right now. So if you fucking wreck my bike, you have to buy a brand new one. A brand fucking new one for me. That is the deal.
Okay, if you wreck this bike, you gotta buy me a brand new one.
That's fine, because it's way cheaper than what I paid for mine.
You're like, it's fine.
It's fine.
That's fine. All right.
This is against everything I stand for.
All right. Let me show you how to operate that thing properly. Yeah, so I was watching how you were kind of moving that thing around, and it was all wrong.
That's really... Seriously?
Yeah, that's your problem.
No, you're fucking kidding. Are you fucking serious right now?
Yeah, you're doing it wrong, bud.
No, fuck you, dude. No. So, is your quick shifter working in your auto blip? Or do I need to use clutch?
Clutch is for starting in first gear.
So, the answer would be yes. We meet again. Shali. Careful with her.
I don't know why you keep saying that. I'm going to fucking rip it.
No, you're not. No, you're not getting on it then.
Okay.
You're not getting on it then.
Hey. It's a little bit of a spicy unit. All right?
I don't like where this is going at all.
It says race right on it.
Yeah, let me put it in Prius mode for you.
No. All right.
This piece of shit. Well, I hope no one sees me riding this thing.
Well, looking at it now, yeah, exactly.
All right, let's hurry up and go before I change your fucking mind. Be careful, please.
Okay, so here's the brand new 2021 BMW S1000RR. We're going to do a little bit of a rip around here. I'm going to do a little rippity-dippity. And I'm going to show Corbin here how to actually ride this thing, because he's been real cautious, so I'm going to really rip it, okay?
You. Here, I have something for you. Fuck you.
I don't want that.
See, you're not getting off to a good fucking start. Don't hurt it, or I'll fucking hurt you.
I love it.
It's so low. Why is it so low?
Why is this so high?
God, busting my balls.
What are you talking about being low?
Like the handlebars feel so fucking low.
Yeah, these feel like they've got risers.
I can't ride this thing. We gotta stop. Let's pull over and stop.
This thing is tall.
Oh, that does not go into second.
That is neutral, bud.
Oh, well, I'm sitting like so much more straight up and down. This is weird.
Yeah, this feels kind of weird.
I'm like straight and normal, touching both handlebars. Like just fine. Oh, that's different. That's nice.
Oh, is it different?
Oh, that's nice. Oh, my lights are purple. I'm looking at you in my rear view, my side mirror.
Oh, yeah, the purple headlights.
That's fucking dope. This is different than I remember.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's good news, probably. Yeah, this feels really high ergonomically compared to that one. Just the seat. And
yeah. As soon as I sat on this, it was. I feel like I'm way lower to the ground, and I'm not. I'm like sitting straight up.
Yeah, the bars seem really high on this too.
I like the BMW better though. Because I'm a tall guy.
Well, it's more sport toury feeling. Kinda. I don't know if you want to hear that, but
Oh, that's nice. This is nice, man. I like it.
does it feel like a little more power?
A little bit, yeah. It feels smoother too. Like I had a little hesitation before. Man, this bike feels so light. Oh yeah, that's nice. There are so many bugs right there. Ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm covered.
Me too.
Oh, this has a really tight turning radius, actually. Ooh. I didn't notice, like, what the numbers do when you go through them, they get bigger.
Very nice.
Ooh, ooh.
I know. He rides you wrong. I know.
Hey, that's where I farted. I wouldn't put my face too close to that. This is probably totaled. You might want to get a new one.
Okay. I'll call the dealership.
It's obviously, a lot of luxury type options, stuff like that. But I like how this one feels better. I expected a little more power, but I was probably in a gear higher than I needed to be in order to really feel it.
Oh, yeah. You didn't get on it while you were on?
Oh, a little bit, but not.
Did you get up to close to 14,000 RPM?
No.
Okay, well, that was your problem. Give him a tip. Oh, no, take that tip back. Take it all back.
I'm out here spotting for you. He's not looking. Go ahead and grab those chips.
I just started busting up laughing. My cheekbones hurt from smiling so much. Stop. Stop. Sir, your bike is too loud.
Look at the little girl.
I told you.
Oh, she's covering her eyes, too. Sorry. Oh, she looked away. Oh, God.
Gosh, see what you did to what you do to people.
Oh, sorry.